Hello guys and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the FEG token or coin with your Trust Wallet application and its services. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, we're going to be opening up our Chrome application, seeing as we can access CoinMarketCap from there. So while we're on coinmarketcap.com, I'll paste the link for the FEG token on the video description or in the video description. All you simply need to do is click on the search icon. Sorry, that's pointless. All you need to do is scroll down. We're already at the FEG token. It's a profile. It's built on two networks, mostly the Ethereum and the smart chain. You simply click on Ethereum. It opens up its token contracts. That's the smart chain and the Ethereum. So there are two. Depending on which is more accessible to you, if you have more tokens on your Ethereum chain, like the Ethereum itself and USDC and other coins like that, you could select the Ethereum contract address. Or if you're used to swapping on the smart chain like Tron and the rest of those smart chain coins, you could select the smart chain coin. So first of all, I'll be showing you how to use the Ethereum based FEG token by simply copying it. Okay, hold on. By simply copying it like so. Copied. You head over to Trust Wallet. You open Trust Wallet up and you dive right into the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. You paste the contract address that you just copied, and it brings out the FEG token, the ERC20. That's the Ethereum based. Yeah, the Ethereum based token. You could also swap it. Yes, this is the Ethereum based. And if it doesn't show up in your case, you could just simply add custom token. It's already on the Ethereum network, like so. You click on Ethereum, you paste it in, and it pops up. Voila, just like that. And it can be swapped. Now we're going to head back to Chrome and use the smart chain token itself. I'm going to be using the smart chain token. You simply copy it and head back to Trust Wallet. You go to the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. You paste it in, and here it is, the BEP20. That's the smart chain version. Or you click on Add Custom Token, click on Smart Chain, paste the wallet address, and it still shows up. This one isn't swappable, but it's mostly available if you need smart chain transactions. You activate it. So now one might ask, how do I purchase this FEG token on the ERC network, or rather the FEG network? You could remotely do it, or rather you could directly do it on Trust Wallet by simply clicking on swap, and you could take it from Ethereum to the FEG token. That's only Ethereum based coins. Yeah, Ethereum, or your smart chain as well, since the option is available. Smart chain to the FEG. Okay, that's not possible. It just keeps repeating a cycle. Okay, so it's only Ethereum based tokens that can be swapped for the FEG token. Right. So for those of you that are wondering how can we get the FEG token on the smart chain network, we simply need to go to Pancake Swap, click on Pancake Swap, give it some time to open up. Once it opens up, we're going to be checking if we're connected by simply clicking on the wallet icon. and we are connected. So as it stands, we simply go to cake, click on the cake, click on paste or search name. We paste what we've copied so far, FEG, we click on it. And now we'll be swapping. We have the option to swap our BNB. We can swap our BNB to an FEG coin or token, whatever you might want to call it. So yes, guys, that's how you purchase your FEG token via Trust Wallet and its services. If you have any questions concerning how you can purchase this, comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.